Such a beautiful morning. Kids got a trampoline. They have the best view overlooking the pasture. Pandy, right here, our miniature Nigerian. She looks like she's due. What do you think, Pandy? She's looking a little wide this morning. There you go. And then we have Baby Spice, his mama. Oh, Pandy wants to be pet. Hey, Pandy. Oh, Baby Spice, what's up? Mama, she's gotten a little fresh since she had her baby. She charges the gate. She tries to get you with those horns. Yeah, you. A little hay feeder. Building another little paddock for them so we can move them. They're starting to graze this area down pretty good. Although we do supplement with hay, when we don't, they tear this grass up. So move them over here and then move the boys, which are back there. But they don't mind. The boys have a nice area. The minis got pushed away from their hay. I gave them a little hay snack, some Timothy and alfalfa, but the horse charged in. Let's go check out the boys. Hey boys, what's going on this morning? What's up, Oreo? This is Oreo. Oreo, the Billy. That's his son, Spice, back there I showed you. And then, if you haven't met Blackie, what's up, Blackie? That's Oreo's brother. Yep, they're brothers. They got their little house they climb on. They love to be on top of that. And then that's their little shelter, obviously. They like hanging out under there, and then they have this whole area to kind of hang out in. They're next to their girlfriends. And then sometimes I let them in the big pasture. And they kind of hang out in the front with the horse and donkeys. They don't go too far, thankfully. They've been eating the grass and doing their thing. It's such a beautiful morning. Slight wind out here. The sounds from the birds and the cows and goats. It's definitely interesting living out here. Just 20 minutes away, we have a populated area. You wouldn't think so though, being out here. I mean, it's heavily populated now, just 25 minutes east of here. You don't see stuff like this, and it's not quiet. It's noisy with cars and people all over the place. Not here though. Just goat noises and donkeys and cows, and of course their smells come with it, but it's not too bad. Take this anytime. Over populated area where your neighbor can reach out their window and grab your coffee from you. Yeah, no thanks. No thank you. Taking that view. Let's gorgeous. Sun's looking weird. Anyways, well, that was the introduction of the animals. Mrs. Ed over here. Boop. And this is Thor and Sammy. These are our minis. What's up, minis? Yeah. You want loving? You like loving, don't you? We have 3 other donkeys out there. Dominic, Star, and Wally. Wally is another mini, but he's taller than these guys. Taller than these 2. But he's light in color, not chocolates. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give us a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting videos daily since I do work remote. I'm able to get up, interact with the animals, and do videos like this. Try to do some more videos of me building this fence this weekend. I gotta build that run so that way we can move the animals or move the goats like I said before. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I hit 22 subscribers. Thank you all. Have a good one.